guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am with Tanvi. You wanna say hi?
Hello.
So in today's video we'll be doing another challenge. It's what's in my mouth challenge. So it was requested by somebody.
Okay.
So I thought of doing it. So it'll be like he'll blindfold me and make me eat 7 of the items that he has decided, and I'll have to guess which one is it, and I'll do the same. So you will go first, right?
Yes.
So he'll eat the items first, the food items, and what is the deal like? What if I win?
Okay, if you win,
I'll tell you.
Okay.
If I win, you will take me to shopping this weekend. Okay, and if you win,
let me give you something tough.
shopping is not tough, okay?
No.
So give me something which is more...
You have to play cricket with me.
Cricket! I would like to watch cricket, not play. I cannot play cricket, yaar.
So this is something which I like and you have to do it.
I'll win. So I think it's shopping. So guys, let's start with the challenge. Are you excited?
No, I'm scared.
So let's blindfold you.
Okay.
I'll bring the food items now, okay? So the fun begins. So baby, I'm starting, okay?
Okay.
I'm feeding you the first item. So the first thing which I'll be giving him is this.
God bless me.
Ready?
Ready?
Open your mouth. Take a bite. What is it?
It's cream bell biscuit.
Oh my god. कैसे पता चला? मैंने तो डायरेक्ट खिलाया भी नहीं. और खाना.
Yeah, please. I love this.
So the first one he got it. Now I'll move on to the second one. So this is a drink.
Is it a drink?
Yeah. Hold the glass. Drink it.
It's Red Bull.
Oh god, yaar, कैसे हो गया तन्वी? So are you ready for the third item? So he's got both the items. Are you ready for the third?
Bring it on.
I hope you don't guess this one. So open a big mouth, okay?
Don't feed me too much.
अच्छा ठीक है. आकर. ये बता दिया ना अगर तो फिर मैं नहीं खेल रही.
Hey and Balla.
Oh shit.
I don't like dahi balla. I like dahi papdi.
Papdi is also there in this.
But you didn't feed me papdi. You feed me dahi and balla.
हाँ, ये भी बता दिया. So now I'm giving you the fourth item. Yeah, I think your confidence is too high now.
Yes.
अरे ये तो खोलना पड़ेगा यार. You ready?
Yes, I hope so.
Open your mouth. What is it?
Yeah.
What?
It's something sour and कुछ thick liquid है. I don't know.
What is it?
It was not sweet. I have no idea.
You give up?
Yes.
It's mayonnaise.
God.
Thank God.
Which mayonnaise tastes like this?
This was normal mayonnaise that we eat yaar every day.
No.
Yeah, eggless mayonnaise. This is my fifth item, but I will not be giving him directly because then he'll be able to guess it. So I'll do something and then give.
This is not fair. You told me that we will be.
Eat. You can eat full. What is it?
Oh, it is green color fruit, pear.
Yeah, right. So, next item. You ready?
Yep. So out of 5, 4 I have guessed, right?
Out of 5, 4 you've guessed. So 2 more to go.
Okay.
Open your mouth. 4.
Milkmaid.
Yeah, I thought this was the easiest one. और तू सिर्फ यही guess कर पाएगा.
Okay.
मुझे सारा हो जाएगा. So just the last one to go. And this should be difficult. Okay.
Okay.
This is something that I will not speak. I really don't think I have to give you any hints because you're guessing it any which ways. Open your mouth.
It is mushroom. Mushroom barbecued and put some. You have put it some, masalas and all. A barbecued mushroom.
It's a mushroom pickle. So out of 7, how many did you get? 6.
कोई बात नहीं. काम वो.
यार सारे कैसे पता चल गए यार. मैं तुझे कहा था मैं इजी वाली लाई हूँ. अब तेरी बारी. मशरूम खाना है?
हाँ, I will love to have it. One more.
Eat. मैं खा रहा हूँ.
It's good.
मैं पैसे वेस्ट कर दिए.
So how was my performance?
I didn't like it. Whether it
was
was good,
killing.
it was good or not, I didn't like it.
Out of 7, sorry, this is 7. Out of 7, I have guessed 6. Best luck for your turn. Okay. So this is my stuff. So you want to start with the drink first, or
I don't mind.
You don't mind? But let me give you something which is bad.
Bad as in I don't like it.
I don't know. You like in some things, but you hate it in many things. Okay. Don't listen to the sound. Hey, do something with this first. Okay. Open your mouth.
It's cheese. I hate
You
it.
didn't eat it, yaar.
I could smell it. Yeah.
Yeah, this is bad, yaar. Okay. There you go. Eat it now.
Soft.
Yeah, it is soft, but it is mixed with something.
Something?
Hmm.
अरे मेरे को अच्छी लगती है सॉफ्ट. रेड वाली ना?
No, it's not the red one.
मल्टी कलर?
Not the multicolor one.
Green.
Yeah.
हाँ, so it does not have a name, right?
Yeah, it does not have a name, but it has types.
So मेरे को इतना नहीं पता होता. मैं इतनी सारी सौंफ ही नहीं खाती. सौंफ, ठीक है?
Okay. Told you I'm getting easy stuff.
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah.
You got 6 out of 7. ये क्या है? हाय छी. निकाल लूँ भाई. अरे कुछ उसी फैमिली से है. आम पापड़, इमली टॉफी.
What do you mean the Uzi family se?
Imli toffee.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't like it.
That's right. Best of luck.
मैंने 3 में से 3 बता दिए ना?
हाँ. Okay, open your mouth.
थोड़ा सा
Big one. It's not bad. You have to eat it fast. You can't keep it in your mouth.
Toffee है. Oh. But I think what you've done is ठेले वाले के पास खड़े होकर बेचते हैं ना ये 10 रुपए की ये वाली गोलियां ये वाली बहुत सारा सामान खरीद दिया. इमली का कुछ जेली.
No. इमली का कुछ jelly.
I don't know, tell me.
It's sour punk. Okay, now the next one is. Are you ready for the next one?
So out of 4, I've got 3.
Yes.
So this is the 5th one.
Yes, and this is something which is good. Okay, open. You go. You ready to go? Tell me the name.
Peppy.
God, you're so good. Are you seeing it? You can see it, right?
No.
No smelling, okay? Okay. I'm giving you little bite. Small bite.
It's my favorite. Milk powder.
Okay.
So the last one
Yes, the drink. And I'm damn sure.
that I'll be able to tell.
No.
Oh my god. Oh, that's the drink.
Yes.
Okay.
There you go. You can't smell it.
Arey, what does that mean? कितना टेस्ट आ रहा है? छी. उल्टी है ये तो किसी की. अरे यार, छी. यार. जब ये पिया हुआ मैंने पहले.
हाँ जी.
पिछले जन्म में.
इसी जन्म में.
मुझे पैपी दे फिर मैं दोबारा पीऊँ.
No, no, no.
ये तो मीठा ही नहीं, ड्रिंक तो मीठी होती है. छी यार. बस पैपी के साथ है, मुझे बाकी सब बेकार है. What was it?
It is Glow from Raw Presseries.
I just had it once
So, you had 6 bottles
of different flavors.
or different flavors, but you wanted to order it again. So I
Whatever.
thought, why not give
Why
you a
not
taste?
give me a treat of this? Yeah.
Right.
So should I open it now?
Yes.
Cheese. Raw Pressery. So I got 5 out of 7,
Yes.
and you got 6 out of 7. So you win. Whatever. I have to play cricket with you.
Right.
Yuck! I hate it. I mean, I can watch it, but not play.
There's something you need to do.
So I have to play cricket with you. So
Yes.
you won, right?
Yes.
Whatever.
It's okay.
I want you tandoori mushroom. Dahi bhalla.
So milk powder.
Milk powder?
And your raw pressery juice. What else you need?
It's too much.
You wanted to have it. You wanted to order
Okay,
it
whatever.
again.
So.
Are we done?
Yes, we are done, and he won the thing. It was your first time with me on my channel. So did you enjoy?
Yes.
Do you want to come back again sometime?
I hope so, but not so scary challenges. I don't want to do scary challenges.
Okay. Thanks for watching.
Okay.
Tell them again.
Okay. So,
With the full flow.
so guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and please support our videos. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.